Good morning, adventurers, dreamers, and seekers of quiet beauty. Today, we invite you to join us on a gentle, peaceful morning walk high above the shimmering waters of the Amalfi Coast in the dreamy, cliff-perched village of Ravello. As the first rays of sun touch the sea, we'll guide you through secret gardens, fragrant lemon groves, hidden pathways, and timeless vistas, all far removed from the bustle of tourist crowds. Here, perched between sky and sea, you're invited to slow down, to breathe, to wander, to listen to the rustle of bougainvillea and the whisper of ancient stone walls. This is a journey of calm, an invitation to explore the hidden gems of this magical place. We've arrived in Ravello just as the town begins to stir. From below, the coastline curves and dips, and as you climb the narrow road, you'll feel the elevation shift. The sea falls away beneath you, and the air takes on a fresher, quieter quality. The name Ravello conjures images of artistic retreats, of poets and composers drawn to its heights. One writer described it as a place of exquisite beauty and peace. Here, the day begins before the crowds, before the tour buses arrive. Our first destination is not the obvious viewpoint. It's a lesser-trodden path into calm. Take the steps that wind away from the main piazza. The cobblestones glisten with dew. Lemon trees line the way, their leaves shimmering and their fragrance crisp in the cool air. You may notice the sound of stillness before anything else. A bird calling, a breeze rustling leaves, the distant murmur of the sea below. According to travel writers, Ravello's quiet alleys and private gardens are among the region's most alluring hidden gems. We follow a path that leads us toward the gardens of the two grand villas, but we don't stop immediately. We pause under an arch of bougainvillea, take in the pastel houses beneath the cliffs, breathe in the sea salt air. Now we arrive at Villa Cimbrone. Founded over 1,000 years ago, this villa sits on a rocky promontory known as Cimbronium and offers what many call the most magical panorama on the Amalfi Coast. As we wandered through its gardens, olive groves, rose arches, fountains, we approached the famous Terrace of Infinity. There, 12th and early 20th century architectural elements, statues, busts, terraces, all look out over a drop to the sea that seems to vanish. In the soft morning light, the marble glows, the sea shimmers pale blue, and you'll wish time would simply stand still. Pause here. Sit on a bench. Let your gaze travel across the Mediterranean horizon. Let the quiet weight of history settle around you. Here, in this secret spot, you're not just the visitor, you're a passer through in a landscape that has inspired composers, writers, and dreamers for decades. From the main garden, we branch off to a hidden pathway, one less traveled by the tourists, more whispered about in travel journals and local lore. Here, the steps are gentler, the crowds fewer, the atmosphere hushed. We pass through a small grove of citrus, a tunnel of vines, and stumble upon a terrace overlooking the valley where the Amalfi Coast roads snake like ribbons below. Travel writers describe these lesser-known gardens around Ravello as providing tranquil pathways leading out of town, breathtaking coastline panoramas without the crowds. Look for the lone white chair by the stone wall. Sit there. For a moment, shut your eyes. Hear the distant sea, the wind through the pines, the quiet. This is a hidden gem moment. Next, we arrive at Villa Ruffolo, located right near the piazza, yet still offering hidden corners and graceful serenity early in the day. Built by the Ruffolo family in the 13th century and restored in the 19th century, the villa blends Arabic, Norman, and Sicilian architectural styles. Walk through the arched cloisters, past Moorish columns, into the Garden of the Soul. Historic stones under your feet, silence only broken by the soft click of sandals on the pathway. From a terrace here, you'll see twin towers rising and the sea beyond. The view might spark a memory of another era, of artists and composers who came here seeking inspiration. We take this moment to find a quiet bench, reflect on the depth of place. The sea is calm, the air crisp, and in that stillness, you feel connected to the place, to the moment, to the dawn. After the gardens, wander back into the heart of Ravello. Quiet cafes begin to fill. A local pastry glistens with lemon glaze. Ceramic shops open their shutters. Hand-painted plates, olive wood bowls, colorful tiles. Writers say that shopping here means supporting local artisans whose studios are tucked away on these quiet streets. Grab a cappuccino and a peach ricotta pastry. Sit outside on the piazza. Listen to the church bells. Watch the light shift on the whitewashed walls. This is part of the morning ritual. Slow, unhurried, deeply local. We found a lunch terrace that remains almost a secret, shaded by lemon trees, overlooking the coastline with only a handful of tables. Local menus list scialatielli, ai frutti del mare, fresh cheeses, a crisp house wine from the hills above the sea. In travel reviews, this kind of spot is described as far from the tourist trail, family-run, authentic, peaceful. Take your time, don't rush. Let the sea breeze brush your skin. Let the sound of cicadas drift. Let the moment linger. Later, as morning moves toward afternoon, we walk to a vantage point not in every guidebook, a terrace behind the church of Santa Maria Agrodillo, just to the side of the busy route, where the coastline unfurls and the light bathes the cliffs in gold. Travel writers highlight this as a spot where you can enjoy the scenery in peaceful solitude. Look at that view. The sea, the curve of the coast, the distant cliffs slipping into the horizon. No hustle, no crowds, just you, the place, the morning. What does a morning in Ravello teach us? It teaches us that beauty need not be flashy, that serenity need not be remote, that some of the greatest moments are found when you slow down, when you step off the main path, when you allow yourself to wander with no agenda except to see, to feel, to breathe. Here are a few thoughts to carry home. Wake early. The light is softer, the angles more forgiving, the town quieter. Walk the less obvious paths. A 10-minute detour might lead you to a bench overlooking the sea with no one else there. Seek local spots for food and drink, not just the big piazzas, but side streets and lemon tree terraces. Take your time. Sit. Breathe. Let the view settle in. Let the silence wash over you. Support local artisans. A simple ceramic plate, a hand-painted tile, a genuine moment of connection. These become your memories as much as the view. Thank you for joining us on this peaceful morning walk through the hidden gardens of Ravello, one of the most serene and beautiful corners of the Amalfi Coast. Whether you're planning a trip, dreaming of one, or just exploring from home, may you carry a bit of this calm with you. If you enjoyed this journey, please subscribe and join us for more hidden gems around the world. Until next time, arrivederci, and may your next walk be quiet, your view be memorable, and your heart be full.